Emotion-based goal or behavior-based goal for 2024? I just read an article, and according to the US News and World Report, 80% of New Year's resolutions, they don't make it. Many people quit in their first week, most by mid-February. When we think about that, if we set a behavior-based goal, like I'm not gonna drink at all in 2024, and something happens in January and you drink, well, there it goes. I already failed. I didn't make it. So what's holding me back from doing it again? Whereas if we set an emotion-based goal of how you want to feel, if I was to think of 3 words, how do I want to feel in 2024? I want to feel happy. I want to feel free. I want to feel clear-minded. If you're considering having a drink, think about those feelings. Think about that emotion-based goal. If I want to feel clear-minded, free, if I want to feel happy, is alcohol going to take me closer or farther from that? And again, if something happens, it's a data point. You can learn from it, and then you can change your plans moving forward. But that emotion-based goal kind of serves as a guiding light, whereas a behavior-based goal can create more of a pass-fail mentality. So going into 2024, we would love to hear below, what is your emotion-based goal?